life at Columbia would vary as per the departments, I feel. And as far as computer science is concerned, life is going to be pretty hectic and pretty stressful. Approach should be first getting roommates. That is how I did it. So you'll find a lot of Indian students, at least coming to Columbia. So having some get-togethers in India itself and finding a roommate there would be beneficial. And going into specifics, Columbia is right next to Harlem. And Harlem is generally considered, to put it mildly, a risky area. So you have to avoid that space and try to live around Columbia. So in that way, you reduce your travel time, and also you get the benefit of campus security. Expenses is going to be subjective, and it could range anywhere from let's say $600 or $700 in a sharing room to $2,000, $3,000 if you want to live in luxury. Generally, when you try to hire a private room, you would shell out around $1,000 to $1,500. And as for food, that is also going to be subjective. It's the fact that vegetarian options are going to be limited. So it's on you how you make those adjustments. I have seen students who would have a tiffin service like in India we had. If you're a good cook and if you are willing to learn those things, then that is going to be the cheapest form. Around about, I would say, a $200 or $300 based on how you consume. It could also shoot up to $500 if you eat every day outside. So I came here around 10 days before my start date, my official start date. And for me personally, the transition was not very difficult because I come from Mumbai, but it hits you once you are in for 2 or 3 months, once the first semester ends. So I think the best way would be to whatever break you get, if you don't feel like staying up here, then I think while you can enjoy going back and forth easily, you should do that. The way at least Mumbai University colleges work is very different. Here, you don't need to be a star for the set of days when you have your exams. You have to be consistent. Like from your 100%, let's say 50% would be your homework or your assignments which are given to you, which would be during the semester. And then like 40% or 30% would be your exams, and those additional 10-20% could be just your participation in class. There's a huge difference also in terms of professor. You won't be spoon-fed anymore, of course. A more proactive nature is expected rather than reactive, where your professor says something and then you react on it and say, yeah, I'll do it. I don't think that's how it works. Here you have to be more approaching the professor what you want. You have to keep your demands, even if that is like, let's say, asking for a TA or something, or asking for an off for an exam or anything like that. So I think there's a lot of difference, and to adjust in that space, you have to give yourself some time and room, and will have to change your mentality from where you come from. As far as the work stuff is considered, I think 1 week or 10 days should be fine. You find out local restaurants, you're comfortable with the food. You set up a bank account, you get a SIM card, you get a new phone if that's required. And all the various small things which I'm sure College Fund will guide you properly. Orientation will give you an introduction to what's happening at and around your university, the various clubs which are running, and if you're interested somewhere, how to approach for RAT opportunities, how to leverage your networks themselves. So yeah, things like that. This would vary, of course, as per the department. For example, CS will have only Asians. My class strength is around 180 students. Around 110 or 120 of them are Asians, and around 30-ish of us come from India, and the rest that remains are American. For technical students, this is the scenario at almost any college that I know of. For CS students, I feel the experience can be substituted with internships or with your personal projects or your research or whatever you have done on the side during your studying. If I have to put it in a general form, I would say if you're going for a position which is more managerial or where your work impacts other teams or where you have to report to a lot of other teams, I would say experience is not required, but it is highly recommended because I have seen students struggling. For computer science, I would say it is difficult. For one, I do not think I had an outside life. It's going to be subjective, of course, that some people are able to manage their schedule properly while some are not. What activities can I participate in? Columbia has like a 4 floors of gymnasium, so there are a bunch of things to do there. And of course, we have New York City here. As for what's included in the fees, whatever is in the campus is included.